Hello and welcome to today's podcast. If you are a first year GNM nursing student and preparing for your behavioral science exam, you have come to the right place. In this episode, we are breaking down the key exam questions and sharing the essential study tips and giving you the strategies you need to act these subjects with confidence. So get your notes ready, settle in, and let's make sure you are fully prepared for your success. Let's get started. Behavioral science is a combination of two key subjects. What are they? Psychology and sociology. Although these subjects are taught separately, the exam is conducted together and it is lasting 3 hours with a total of 75 marks. Today we will go over the complete syllabus of the behavioral science and take an in-depth look at the latest 2024 questions paper along with the discussion of the answer. We will discuss the question paper pattern at the end of the video, but for now, let's dive into the first topic and ensure you are fully prepared. A thorough understanding of the syllabus is essential for every student. When preparing for the exam, always start with the syllabus as your guide. Take a first chapter and study it well and ensure you have fully covered it before moving on. Afterward, review the important questions from the specific chapter. And I have noticed that many of the students, they are checking their previous year's question paper for their studies. While it may be help to score the mark, but it won't give you a clear understanding of the subjects. So as a students, we need to understand the subject along with the examination preparations. Grab a pen and paper and let's learn together as we go through the psychology syllabus. But before we dive into that, let's answer a key question. What is psychology? We know that psychology is a scientific study of mind and behavior. It explores how the people think, feel and act and aims to understand mental processes, emotions and the factors that influence the human behavior. As you can see in the screen, psychology, simply we can say that psychology is the study of the mind and behavior. So we can discuss regarding the syllabus. Syllabus means move to the first unit. So in the first unit, what it is? In the first unit, that is talking about the introduction. Introduction include the definition, nature and the scope of psychology along with the importance of psychology for the nurses. So in the unit 1, what type of questions you can expect? Definitely you can expect a 1 mark question. Like a definition or otherwise filling the blanks type of question, because here the definition of psychology is very important. Next you can expect a 5 mark questions from this portion, important of psychology for the nurses. This 2 type of question only we can predict or expect from the unit 1. So move to the second unit. Second unit, what is this? That is about the structure of mind. Structure of mind, when it comes to that unit, Sigmund Freud, he is a psychologist. I think everyone is familiar with that because you are already learned about that, and his different type of theories are there. For example, psychoanalytical theory and psychosexual theory. So different theories is important in the unit 2. Not only in the unit 2, in psychology, the complete subject theories are very important. So here in the unit 2, you will learn about the conscious mind, subconscious mind and unconscious mind and the basic concept regarding the different types of mind. So that you should learn. So we can expect a 5 mark question from that. And also next, Freud's psychoanalytical theory of personality. That is important. Maybe you will get like a 5 mark question, or otherwise we can expect a essay question. So that much important, you should give attention for this psychoanalytic theory. That include the concept regarding the id, ego and superego. I hope you are already learned about that, but before going to the exam hall, you should make sure that you are very aware about the basic concept regarding the psychoanalytic theory and the concept of id, ego and superego. Okay, so next we can move to the unit 3. This unit 3, it is a vast unit. Psychology of the human behavior. The discussion regarding psychology of the human behavior is included in the unit 3. That you can see, the complete syllabus that you can see in the screen. Here we need to discuss regarding the basic human needs and dynamics of the behavior, motivation, drives, then body mind relationship, mental health, then characteristics of mentally healthy person. Characteristics of mentally healthy person is a common question, and this question is mostly asked in psychology subject and also psychiatry subject. Next is emotional control, psychological problems for the patients and their relatives. This topic is useful for your practical settings also. Next, stress and conflict. The stress and conflict also we can expect as like a one word question or filling the blanks question. Then natural sources and types of stress and conflict. There are some factors, some explanation about regarding the stress and conflicts are there that you can read in your textbooks. Okay, so that portion is important. And then when moves to the next topics in the unit 3, mental mechanism and their uses and important, and also attitudes. This attitude portion is important. So sometimes you'll get a 1 mark questions from this attitude portion. Otherwise we can expect a 5 mark question also. And habit, meaning and formation, breaking the bad habits, importance of good habits formation for the nurses. Everything it is there in the unit 3. So you should, before going to the examination, you should read the complete syllabus, and based on the syllabus you should read your textbook. Definitely I know that you have the class notes and the lecture notes. Read the lecture notes and you can identify the important points and important names. So underline the important points and study it well, because for the GNM students 1 word questions and 1 mark question like a definition or filling the blanks questions is there. So mostly you can grasp a lot of marks from that area. So don't miss any single points from that. So we can check detail about the unit 4. So unit 4 first portion is about the learning. If learning is get like an essay questions, you will get a question like that: define learning, and what is the types of learning, and some of the theories. Maybe some specific question or specific theory they may be mentioned, otherwise theories of the learning and factors affecting learning. These are the sub questions you can expect from the portion of learning. So when you are studying about the learning, first study the definition. So mostly my recommendation is that you can prepare a self note other than your textbook and also your class notes. You can prepare a self note, and when you are preparing a self note for an essay question, you should include the definition and the types and some laws of learning, or otherwise if any theories is there, you should add the theories along with this. Okay, I hope it is clear. In between, if you have any doubts, you can write it in this comment box, and also we will conduct a lot of live classes for the students who are learning the GNM exam and post BSc exam and BSc examination. So please participate in the live session. So definitely we can discuss your doubts and concern at the same times when we are taking the classes. Okay, so next about the thinking and the reasoning. So thinking and reasoning also, as I mentioned earlier, it is an essay questions. So nature and the types of thinking, reasoning, problem solving, importance of creative thinking for the nurses. So that is not that much important, but thinking and reasoning, it is very important, and the theory is also important. Next is observation and perception. So what are the important points are from this observation and perception? That is a question. That is an important question. So attention, perception and the loss of perceptions. So here hallucination, then illusion, different type of questions you can expect here. Attention and the perception, errors of perception, that is also is there, as I mentioned earlier. So that is about the unit 4. So unit 4 is very important compared with the unit 1 and unit 2, because here you can get 10 mark questions. Okay, so not only 10 mark question, 5 mark question, short answer question, 1 mark questions, everything you can expect from here. Next is unit 5. So unit 5, personality. So in this unit, Also, we can expect a 5-mark question and a 10-mark question. So here we need to learn the meaning of personality and the nature and development types of personality. And also nature of personality means what? Different one by one points are there in your textbook, like unique and specific, self-conscious, and it include all the behavioral pattern and dynamics and even the processor, it change the modification, lot of features are there. So you should learn, don't forget, don't skip from this portions. And the next is assessment of the personality, along with the theories of personalities are there. I think this theories of personalities is little tricky, so take a time and look over the notes and also the textbooks and understand the concept. So if you got the basic understanding regarding the concept of different theories, definitely that you can write in your examination. Otherwise this by hearting, I don't know how it is possible. This by hearting definitely not help you in your examination, because if you forget some of the point, you couldn't get the continuation. So try to understand the concept when you are learning about the psychology subject. Actually, when you are learning this concept of the theories, it is very interesting. As like a story, you can understand the concepts. Then in the personality, characteristics of the various age groups like a child, adolescent, adult and age, that you should learn from this portion. And next portion is that will and character. So don't forget to study this will and character. 1 mark or 2 mark questions also we will get from that portion. Next is the unit 6. I hope that is the last topic from the psychology for the GNM students. In the intelligence, that is also will get like an essay question. So as like mentioned, unit 4, unit 5, unit 6, it is very important because essay questions are mostly get from that unit. And also if you haven't get any essay question, don't worry, you will get a 5-mark question from that. Okay, intelligent. What are the things we need to study from the intelligent portion? You should study the definition, meaning and individual differences in the intelligence. Next, mental ability. Here we are studying about the IQ. So the definition, formula of IQ, definitely it is a 1-mark question. And the nature of intelligence and development, assessment of intelligence. These are the portions included in the unit 6, that is intelligence. I hope it is clear for everyone. That are the portions included in psychology. So once again, I will tell you which are the portions in the unit 1, that is talking about the introduction, 5-mark questions and 1-mark question we can expect from that. Next is the unit 2. Unit 2 is the structure of mind and some Sigmund Freud's theories you should learn, don't forget, definitely you should learn. Then the unit 3, psychology of the human behavior. Here stress, conflict, attitudes are important. Then the unit 4, that is talking about the learning, thinking and reasoning, observation, attention, perception. Okay, next unit 5. What is unit 5? Unit 5 is talking about the personality, meaning and their theories and also nature of the development, types of personality, assessment of personality, everything it is important. And also learn the will and character. Next is unit 6, that is intelligence. And the intelligence definition, meaning and the individual differences of the intelligence, IQ. So these much of things you should learn. Actually this is not a vast area, you can learn within 1 or 2 days itself. Okay, so start preparing for that. Next subject, that is sociology. You know that behavioral science, that is the combination of 2 different subjects. One is psychology and one is sociology. Psychology basic syllabus we are already discussed. Then now we can move to the sociology and their syllabus. Okay, when you are studying about sociology, you should learn what is sociology, the basic concept of sociology. So for that we can just look at the screen. Sociology is the scientific study of human societies, social interactions and the social causes and the consequences of the human behavior. So and also in your textbook you will get a different definition given by different sociologists. So before the examination you should by heart 1 or 2 definitions with the sociologist name. Okay, then again move to the first unit. So in the syllabus, in the first unit, that is talking about the introduction. So definition, scope of sociology and its relationship with other social science and the use of sociology for the nurses. That are the portion included in the unit 1. Here the nature of sociology. What is nature of sociology, and can you give some of the example? Nature of sociology means sociology is an independent science. Sociology is a social science and not a physical science. Lot of things are there. So read that one before the examination. Then branches of sociology. That is also important. General sociology, sociological sociology, rural sociology. Lot of things are there. Next is the relationship of other social science with the sociology, like anthropology. A lot of things are there, so you should learn. And the difference between sociology and anthropology also is available in your textbook. And the uses of sociology in the nursing profession. Definitely you have a question like that, but I know you are completed your 1 year and successfully learned all these units thoroughly, so you know the use of sociology in the nursing profession. Okay, so move to the unit 2. So what is unit 2 talking about? Individual review of the human growth and development, the socialization process, then that is visible here. Effect of environment on the human growth and development, then rights and responsibilities of the individual in a democratic society. Basically the unit 2 is talking about the individual and society. So here we know that man is a social animal. That may be the first definition you learn from your classroom. So who is given this definition? So definitely, I know it is very familiar. You can write it in the comment box. Then here you should learn about the sociology and the socialization. Socialization, it is an important portion, and mostly we can expect for your examination. What is socialization? And the definition of the socialization. Socialization is the process of working together, of developing group of responsibility or being guided by the welfare needs of others. So based on the same like the introduction, based on different sociologists, different definitions are there. So you should find which is the easiest definition and study that one. Okay, then type of socialization, primary socialization, different anticipatory socialization, etc. So types of socialization also you should learn before the examination. Then stages of socialization, agents of socialization, then rights and the responsibilities of the individual in the democratic society, right to equality, right to the freedom, and a right to the freedom of religion. Lot of things are there, that is also we need to learn in this unit. Okay, so move to the unit 3. So unit 3 in the sociology, that is talking about the family. So what are the portions you should include in the while studying this family? That are definition. So definition, it is very important. So from where you get the definition? Definitions are there in your textbook. Find out which is the easiest one and learn it. Characteristics of the family and the types of family. Types of family, basically based on the structure of the family, that is divided into 3. I think it is 3. What are the nuclear family, joint family, extended family? Different types of families are there that you should learn. Then the second portion in this unit is talking about the family cycle and the basic needs of the families. Okay, family cycle and the basic needs of the family, and also the functions of the family. What is the functions of the family? Socialization and social control. Lot of functions are there for the family. Social security, different things are there, that is also you need to learn. Then next portion, it is the importance, functions of the family and their problems. This much areas you should learn in unit 3, that is talking about the family. So this unit is important. Definitely we can expect some of the question from this unit 3. Then the next unit, that is about the society. Okay, so in the society, what are the things? What are the important points they are included? Society, so the definition and the meaning. Then social groups social groups, that include the types, structure and intergroup relationship and the group cycle, group behavior, lot of things, and also the social change. Social change I found in the previous year question paper, that is asked like a essay question and a 5-mark question, and also the society, social groups, that are important. Social change that include the meaning, factors affecting and the effect of society and institution leading to the social problem. Different social problems also included in this problem, in this unit 4, that is talking about the sociology. So almost every units and the simple notes that we are given in our Nursing Guru application. So definitely if you are learning from that, you can pass the exam in a very well way, and also you can understand the concept. If you haven't downloaded it, download the Nursing Guru application from the Google Play Store. Okay, so next about social, the continuation of the unit 4, that is about the social control. So social control and the social stratification, social problems and the social agencies are included here. So social control also you can expect like a question. Then different social problems is there like prostitution, crime, divorce, dowry system, juvenile delinquency, drug addiction, alcoholism, etc. So here any one of the social problem may ask like a 5-mark question. So learn about all these things, and you should learn the updated books and updated syllabus. Okay, next unit 5. Unit 5 sociology, that is talking about the community and culture. So community, different types of communities are there, like a rural community and urban community. And also in rural community their specialities, characteristic, urban community their characteristics you should learn. And also in rural development programs you should give some of the important example. National Rural Health Mission, it is very familiar, everyone is familiar with the different rural development programs, so you should learn the rural development programs. That is also maybe get like a questions. And here the next portion, culture and the characteristics. So in culture and characteristics also some of the times you can expect like a 10-mark question, otherwise 5-mark questions, and the characteristics and the functions of the culture that we can expect from this unit. I hope it is clear. So these are the units included in the sociology. In sociology only 5 units are there. Already we discussed regarding that. Once again I will tell you the unit 1, that is talking about the introduction, definitions of sociology and scope of sociology and the uses of sociology for in nursing profession. Then in the unit 2, Unit 2 is talking about the individual and the society, review of the human growth and development, that include a socialization, that area is important. Then effect of environment and the human growth and development, rights and responsibilities of the individual in a democratic society, that are included in the unit 2. Next unit 3. Unit 3 is talking about the family and marriage. So marriage also is there. So family and marriage, the definition, characteristics, types and the importance, everything is discussed in the unit 3. So don't forget to learn all those things. And also in the unit 4, that is talking about the society. Society means the definition, meaning and the different social groups and also social change you must learn. Next the last unit, and also not only that is not the last unit, in the 4th unit some of the portions are included, that is social control, social stratification, different social problems and social agencies. I hope it is clear. And also in the last unit, that is unit 5, is talking about the community and the culture. Okay, so I hope it is clear for everyone. So far we are discussed regarding the syllabus of psychology and sociology. I know it is familiar for you, but once again when you are studying about, as like a revision, when you are studying about these areas, you must understood what are the syllabus, syllabus on the basis of which one we need to study. So then only we will get the basic concept. So you should learn the syllabus and take a Xerox copies of the syllabus, and when you are completed the one unit, just to give a tick mark, then move to the next, then move to the next unit. Okay, so definitely if you are learning like this, you can score a better score. Okay, so The syllabus section is over. Now we are going to discuss regarding the question paper. So question paper, a lot of question paper and the solutions are there in our application, but along with that in 2024, that is the recent question paper we are going to discuss now. So are you ready? Okay, we can start with the question paper. So here the question paper sample you can see in the screen. So here Diploma in Nursing Examination Board GNM. So basically in every board they have a same syllabus that is given by Indian Nursing Council. So this video is useful for every student who are learning GNM in all over India. So if you have any of your friends who are learning GNM, don't forget to share these videos with them. Okay, here the question paper. Question paper duration is there, QP number is there, and also maximum mark is 75. Different types of questions are there. Which are the types of question? You are a first year student, but you are already completed a lot of examinations and you got a basic understanding. However, you should understood the board exam question paper, how it is look like. So this is the example of a question paper. Here different type of questions we can expect, like first is give the meaning of the following. So here 4 questions are there, each question that carry 1 mark, so maximum of 4 mark you can score from here. Next is filling the blank type of questions. So here total 4 questions is there, 1 into 4, 4 marks. Next type of question, that is write the short note for any of the 4 of the following. Total 5 questions is there, you can choose 4 of them and write the 4 answers. Okay, next answer the following. Answer the following, here 1 question and their sub questions are there. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus total 9 marks is there. So this is considered as an essay question. So 2 essay question we can see in here. So one is basically from psychology and the second one also is from psychology. Okay, so next is the state of that is seen in this paper. Okay, next is state the following statement is true or false. True or false also questions are there. Total 4 questions is there, maximum 4 mark you can expect from here. Then next is write a short note. Again short note. So here also in the 9th question onwards you can see the short note, here also short note are there. Then answer the following, that is also considered as an essay question. So that is basically from the portion of sociology. So this is a sample question paper. So we can look more about this. Okay, are you ready? First category of question, that is the give the meaning of following. 4 questions are there, psychology, frustration, learning, memory. Psychology, frustration, learning and memory. So how to write answer for this? So here definitely they are asked to write the meaning of the following. So you can write a definition or otherwise write the meaning of the following. So psychology, that you should learn what is psychology in 1 sentence or 2 sentences. Explanation that doesn't need here because every question that carries only 1 mark. So simple definitions is required in this field. Frustration, you can write the definition of the frustration here. Same like a learning, memory. So in the syllabus section I told that this learning and psychology, frustration, memory is very important and you can expect essay questions also. While you are learning about essay question, definitely you should learn the definition. So that definition is applicable here. So I hope you got the syllabus, how to learn from that syllabus. Okay, next type of question, that is filling the blanks. So I will tell you how to write the answer. So here total 4 questions are there, 5 to 8 questions. First question, failure to recall something learned before is called dash. So here you need to write one answer in a 1 word. So I saw that some of the students, they will write complete sentence like a failure to recall something learned, like they will write, but it is not necessary. You just write the answer. So here which is the answer? Failure to recall something learned before is called is dash. Mostly the answer is forgetting. So you should learn option 5 is forgetting. Okay, that is enough. And for that you will get a 1 mark. So each right answer it will carry 1 mark. Next is respective attitude towards another question. Here which is the right answer? Find the right answer. Just write down the right answer while writing after 6. Next 7. A repeated behavior that occurs without the effort is called dash. So what is the answer? Mostly it is habit. So you can just write habit. Next is a formula of IQ. Definitely this question is a compulsory one, so learn about that, how to calculate IQ. IQ means intelligent quotient. How to find intelligent quotient? Intelligent quotient can be obtained by the equation MA divided by CA equal to IQ. What is MA? MA means mental age, CA means chronological age. Mental age divided by chronological age equal to intelligent quotient. Okay, so I hope you studied now itself. Then next type of question, that is write short notes. So write short notes for any four of the following. Here one question that will get a 4 mark. So 4 mark, after writing this, when an examiner will read this answer and they should give maximum of 4. So that much of things you should add in this answer sheet. The one question, types of intelligent test, sources of frustration, any 2 type of personality, and steps in problem solving, Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Okay, so here we can just take one first question, types of intelligent test. So when you are studying about intelligence and you are going to write everything about intelligence, but you forget to write the types of intelligence, you won't get any mark. At least sometime you will get 1 mark or 1.5 mark, that's it. But you should specifically write the types of intelligent test. For writing that, you can give a definition, types of intelligent test, and mention which are the intelligent tests, and give a heading, underline it, and very neatly you should write the answers clearly, specifically write the answer. Then only you will get a 4 mark or 3 marks. Okay, so otherwise simply lot of things, whenever the thinking about intelligence, if you are included in this and you written 1 page or 2 page, you won't get the mark. But specifically you should write the types of intelligent test. Same like others. Next is answer the following. Answer the following, as like mentioned, it is an essay question here. Question is, enlist the branches of applied psychology and explain 3 branches of applied psychology and describe the importance of psychology for the nurses. Here the answer mark distribution you can see in the right side of the question paper. 1 plus 3 plus 5, total 9 mark. So 1 mark is for the enlisting branches of applied psychology. Okay, so next 3 mark is given for the explain 3 branches of applied psychology. So simply you can explain the 3 branches of psychology. When it is completed, you will get a 3 mark. Then the 5 mark is for the important description of importance of the psychology for the nurses. Okay, hope it is clear. So just think about the answers and their mark, and the mark distribution. Based on this mark distribution, you should write the answer. Okay, next one is a state the following statement is true or false. It's a true or false question. Here also you can just write repetition of the question. Again and again people are writing the questions in the answer sheet. It is not compulsory. Just write true or false. If 21, if you feel that is true, means just write true. If it is false, just write false. That is enough. Example, one answer questions we can take from here. Fight or flight theory was given by Walter. Okay, this answer is true or false. That is a question. If you feel it is yes, means you just write true. Okay. So in this type of question also carries 1 mark. For each right answer you will get 1 mark, and in the session total 4 mark you can gain. Okay. So within seconds you can gain this 4 mark. That is a speciality of 1 word question. Especially this filling the blank questions. 4 mark you can get it from 2 minutes. And also this give the meaning of type questions. Within 2 or 3 minutes you will get a 4 marks, and true or false question within 1 minute you will get a 4 mark. But in other cases this essay question and short note question, it is not like that. You need to write the explanation. The next type of short note, that is functions of the family, population explosion and difference between the rural and urban community forms of marriage. When we are discussing the syllabus, all this portion we mentioned about that. So short note, each short note which carries 5 marks. So you should write 3 of them. So maybe the mark distribution is different in every time. So when you are started to write an examination, when you get the question paper in your hand, you should remember to check the answers and the mark distribution. Okay, read the question and read the mark distribution also. Functions of the family. So this questions are coming from the portion of sociology. Next is answer the following. What is mean by social problems? Mention 6 examples. For this question will carry 3 marks. So you must write what you mean by social problem, means a definition of social problem, and mention 6 examples. If you have completed that, you will get 3 marks. Then additionally in the next question, the sub question, that is explain any 3 social problem. So just write the 3 social problems and write the heading, definition and explanation. Okay. Next social problem, their definition, the explanations. Like that you should learn or write the 3 social problems. So for this 3 problem you will get a 5 mark. So total this essay question that carry 3 plus 5 8 mark. I hope it is clear. That is a essay question from the portion of sociology. Previously here the question number answer the following 14 to 20. So here that is talking about the exam questions are coming from the area of psychology. So I hope it is clear. So far we have discussed regarding the question paper, that is the recent question paper 2024 question paper, and also I mentioned how to write the answers. Okay. Dear students, we are prepared this video specifically for the GNM students who are writing behavioral science examination. So I hope it is useful, and also I will share some of the study tips. So the first one is create a study plan. Break down your syllabus into a smaller and a manageable parts and set a study schedule dedicating to a specific times for each day for different subjects. Stick into a schedule and it should be constant. The second tip is understand, don't memorize. Focus on understanding the concept rather than memorizing. Next, ask questions when you don't understand something. So you can ask to your friends or your teachers. The third tip is that is practice with the past paper. Solve previous year's exam papers to get familiar with the question paper pattern. So take a time yourself by solving these papers to improve the speed and accuracy. So the previous year question papers and their answers are available in our application. Don't forget to practice with that before going to the examination center. The fourth tip is take a regular breaks. Study in the blocks to a 45 to 60 minutes, then take a short break. Short breaks helps to refresh your mind and improve your concentration. Next tip is stay organized. Keep your notes, textbooks and the study materials are neatly arranged and organized. A study space to minimize the distractions. Next tip is stay positive and manage the stress. Believe in your ability to succeed. A positive mindset can make a big difference. Practice a relaxation techniques like a deep breathing or the meditation to stay calm. Next tip, you should remember, get enough sleep. Ensure you are getting at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep, especially before your examination. A well rest brain functions can better during the examination. Next tip is stay healthy. Eat a balanced meals and stay hydrated while studying. Drink lot of water. Do physical exercise, even the short walk or can help to clear your mind and improve your focus. And the next short tip is ask for the help. Don't hesitate to approach your teachers or classmates if you are struggling with a specific topic. And also you can contact with us class, Nursing Guru will help you to score in a better way. So our contact number, it is available here, 6282650553. So anytime you can send a message through the WhatsApp, and definitely our teachers or mentors will help you. And also you can share your doubts through our email, admin@nursingguru.org. Definitely we will give the answers. And also we are giving help through the mobile communication like a phone calls, but that is in between 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. So you can contact the same number given for the WhatsApp contact. We are conducting different live sessions for the students who are learning GNM post BSc and BSc nursing. So you can also participate in the live session, that is absolutely for free. And you can contact the numbers that is given in the description box. Otherwise you can send a mail through the mail that is also we are attached in the description box.